Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a beautiful girl named Emily. She was 20 years old. Emily had blue eyes and golden hair. Her family was poor, but they were happy. They lived in a small house. They loved each other very much. Emily was kind, smart, and full of dreams. She loved to read books. She often sat near the window, reading stories about love and life. Emily dreamed of a better life. One day, she went to the village market. There, she met a boy named John. John was tall and handsome. He had dark hair and a kind smile. John came from a rich family. His parents owned a big house and many lands. Emily and John started talking. They laughed and smiled. They liked the same things. They walked together in the fields and by the river. John told Emily about his dreams. Emily shared her hopes with him. They felt close to each other. One day, John looked into Emily's eyes and said, "Emily, I love you. Will you marry me?" Emily smiled. Her eyes were full of tears. She said, "Yes, John, I love you too." They hugged. They dreamed about their future together. But soon, there was a problem. John's parents did not like Emily. They said, "She is not rich. She is not good enough for our son." John's mother said, "You must marry someone from a rich family." His father agreed. John was very sad. He said, "But I love Emily. She is kind and good. Money is not important." But his parents did not listen. They said, "If you marry Emily, we will not support you." Emily found out. She was very sad too. She said, "Maybe we should not marry John. I do not want to make your life hard." John replied, "No, Emily, I love you. We will find a way." Days passed. John tried to talk to his parents. He said, "Emily is a good person. She is kind, smart, and honest. Please accept her." But his parents did not change their minds. They said, "No, John, you must marry someone rich." John felt heartbroken. He did not want to leave Emily. He told her, "Emily, I will always love you. We can be strong together." Emily's family also heard about the problem. They were worried. Her mother said, "Emily, we love you. We want you to be happy. But maybe it is better to let John go." Emily cried many nights. She loved John deeply, but she did not want to hurt him. She thought, "His life will be hard because of me." One evening, Emily went to see John. She looked into his eyes and said, "John, I love you very much, but I think it is better if we don't get married." John's face became sad. He said, "Emily, I can't live without you, but I understand. I will always love you." They hugged and cried. Their hearts were full of love, but the world was against them. Emily and John decided to stay friends. They said, "We will always support each other," but inside, they both felt broken. One day, Emily's father became very sick. Emily stayed by his side day and night. She cooked, cleaned, and prayed for him to get better. Emily said, "John, you have a big heart. Thank you for helping us." John smiled and said, "Emily, I will always be here for you." Some weeks later, John came to visit Emily. He said, "Emily, I must go to the city for work, but I will write to you." Emily was sad, but she smiled. She said, "I will miss you, John. Please take care." John hugged her and said, "I will miss you too. I will come back soon." In the city, John worked very hard. He learned new things and grew strong. He sent letters to Emily. In his letters, he wrote about his job, the city, and his dreams. He said, "Emily, I still love you. I think of you every day." Emily also wrote back. She told John about her village, her family, and her heart. They shared their feelings through words. Even far away, They felt close. Time passed. John became successful. He saved money and helped his family, but he never forgot Emily. Emily also worked hard. She helped her mother, took care of the home, and helped her neighbors. She was loved by many, but her heart still missed John. One day, after many years, John came back to the village. He went to Emily's house and knocked on the door. Emily opened it. She was surprised and smiled brightly. "John, you are back." John smiled and said, "Yes, Emily, I missed you." They talked for a long time. They laughed. They remembered the old days. John said, "Emily, I still love you. I want to be with you." Emily was quiet. She said, "But what about your parents?" John said, "I don't need their money or approval now. I can support us. I want a life with you." Emily's eyes filled with tears. She said, "John, I'm proud of you, and I still love you too." Emily and John got married in a small, happy ceremony. Emily's family was full of joy. John's parents did not come, but John and Emily didn't let that stop them. They moved to the city. They worked hard and helped each other. Life was not always easy, but their love made them strong. Years passed. They had children and taught them about kindness and love. They grew old together, hand in hand. They often looked at each other and smiled. They knew their love had survived everything. They believed true love never dies.